that fits in the context.
Morning, brothers and sisters. Looks like the equities market's going to open up low. Let's see import prices. Maybe it's down a little.
Import prices for the month of March, if we look at the headline number, import price month over month, down 0.1%. We're looking for unchanged. And I do want to point to the trend. The trend the last several months has been for higher prices. If you look at the prior months, January and February, they were both up 0.4. Those were back-to-back, some of the strongest since early 24. So minus 0.1 reverses that, and that's where we,
That's not where we want to see the yield.
Last year, this will comp to minus 0.4.
Trying to get it down.
In September of last year. Now let's take out petroleum. It moves 0 to 0, unchanged. That's also less than expected. We're looking for a positive number of up 0.3. How does that fit in? Well, 0 would fit in with up 0.1, and that was in January. To find a smaller number, you're going back to May of 24. Now, let's go year over year, shall we, on import prices? Up 0.9, less than a 1.5 expected, and that would figure into basically the best number just since last month when it
Pre-market.
was up 2%. This also has been trending higher. Last month's up 2% was the highest since D of 24. Now let's look at month over month export prices, exactly as expected, unchanged. And if you look at the year over year, 2.4. Out of all the numbers today, this is the warmest of them. So export prices year over year up 2.4. That would equate to 3 solid months over 2%. Jan was 2.7, Feb was 2.1. Now we're up at 2.4.
All right, enough of that. So Bitcoin's, a little strong today, 95K, but your alts are down. Equities are down. Let's see what happens when the market opens, the stock market, that is. And the bond market is open. That opens at 7:30. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot going on out there pushing with China pushing back against our tariffs. And it's a little deeper than we are led to believe. And you'll see the effects even on, baby stuff and everything we get from them. We'll see what happens. But China is not looking to bow down to us. They're a country much, thousands and thousands of years older than the United States and extremely proud. So we're not going to be able to intimidate them. Let's see what happens. Subscribe if you like. Here to help. I just wanted to give you some quick numbers this morning by the annoying Rick Santelli, and we'll see what happens. It's going to be, nothing is near a bull market, guys. Nothing is near it. We need a lot to change. Volume